Now let us solve one more passage based question which is asked in the GK and current affairs section of the actual CLAT 2021 paper. Okay, let us see what is this passage talking about and what is it like we should have known before we read this passage. So PM Narendra Modi during his visit to Bangladesh congratulated the neighborhood country for its 50th year of independence. Okay, so in 2020 this thing happened, that's why they asked you this question in 2021. PM Modi visited Bangladesh during their 50th year of independence. So when did Bangladesh got independence? Okay, that would again be a question from this passage. And said that he too had gone to jail while protesting for Bangladesh liberation. I was about 20 to 22-year-old when with some of my friends I protested in the favor of Bangladesh during its struggle. So India helped Bangladesh to get their independence. Right? Pakistan was creating autocracies in Bangladesh, okay, thereby creating problem for the people in Bangladesh. So India helped Bangladesh to get their independence. Okay, so that is what Mr. Modi is talking about. That's where he went to jail, okay, protesting for the independence of Bangladesh. I went to jail. Pakistan autocracies in Bangladesh are well known. We all know about it. The pictures didn't allow me to sleep. That's what Modi is saying. PM Modi said, that's what he said. He also paid respect to Indian army who fought for the freedom of Bangladesh and also paid respect to Bangladesh father of nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, okay, and conferred upon him Gandhi Peace Prize 2020. Okay, so pick up keywords from here. What can they ask you question about? They can ask you question about this man. Who is this person? Okay, or they can ask you question on Gandhi Peace Prize. Okay, because these are certain keywords that you can pick up from passage. So this is again one technique. Whenever you read a current affairs, pick up keywords from there and then go backwards. What question can they ask from this keyword? Okay, because as we know it, they won't ask you direct question from the passage. Okay, they will ask you something related to passage and the question related to that. Okay, static GK, they may go from the keyword. Okay, so that's what you have to understand. I pay my respect to Bangabandhu. He gave his life for the people of Bangladesh. Bangabandhu Mujibur Rahman was a ray of hope. He made sure that no country would enslave Bangladesh, PM Modi said. Okay, so this passage is about PM Modi's visit to Bangladesh during their 50th year of independence. Okay, and what happened there. So if you had read about this passage earlier, you should get answers there. Okay, as I said, you can pick up keywords here and the keywords can help you to reach to the static GK part of it. So let's see now, what is it like you're supposed to know about it? First of all, about the visit. Okay, second thing, what is Gandhi Peace Prize? Gandhi Peace Prize in 2020 was awarded to whom? Because you are writing paper in 2021, so they can ask you question from the current affairs that have happened in 2020, okay, 12 months before. So who was actually Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? Bangladesh achieved its independence under his leadership in 1971. Okay, so when Bangladesh got independence, it was under his leadership. 2020-21 marks his birth cemetery widely celebrated at Mujib Borso. Okay, he is regarded as the father of the nation. So father of the nation for India is Mahatma Gandhi and he is the father of nation for Bangladesh. He was Bangladesh's first president, okay, and is remembered for his spirit, ideology, courage and love for the people of the nation. Okay, so he was the first president of Bangladesh. So you should have known something from this background, okay, to answer question from this passage. Okay, so let's see what are the questions that are being asked here now. Gandhi Peace Prize is awarded for. Okay, so as I said, they can pick up keywords from, you can pick up keywords from the passage and then think what can the question be asked. Okay, so Gandhi Peace Prize is awarded for what? This is something that you are supposed to know. Why? Because we are studying this in our static GK. Static GK non-school, we study one topic which is awards and events. Okay, in awards and events, you must have been through all this awards. So Gandhi Peace Prize, you must have also been through that. Okay, it is for, let's see now. Even if I don't know, how can I eliminate option here? Humanitarian leadership, social economic development in villages? No, it is just not related to villages. Okay, it has a broader point of view than villages. Social injustice, Non-cooperation against social injustice. No, again, because it's not quite an explanation which I am looking for. Okay, humanitarian leadership, again, no. Check this: social, economic, and political transformation through non-violence. Okay, so you are doing a transformation in the country which is social, okay, affecting people, economic, affecting the money flow, and political, okay, affecting the political scenario through non-violence. This looks like a answer. Okay, so clearly I would say this answer or the question to be as a 4 question. On this ball you should hit a 4. Okay, why? Because this is part of my syllabus. Even if I have not read about this passage, I at least have went through awards and event which is part of my static GK. Okay, and that is where I must have come across Gandhi Peace Prize Award, and I know what is that for. Okay, so clearly on this ball you should hit a 4. Next question from the same passage. The Gandhi Peace Prize Award for the first time in the 1995 was awarded to whom? Okay, so you know about Gandhi Peace Prize Award. For the first time it was awarded in 1995, and the question is to whom? Okay, now this I would call as a wicked question. Okay, because you may or may not know this. You have read of Gandhi Peace Prize Award, but who got it first? Okay, to read on this and to have an information on this could be difficult. Okay, so mark the answer only when you are very much sure of it. The answer for this is option number D. Baba Amte got the first Gandhi Peace Prize Award in 1995. Okay, so only when you are sure about the line and length of this ball, then only play. Okay, or else it can take your wicket, because the question is not a regular question here. Let's see the next one now. Which of the following organization was awarded with Gandhi Peace Prize Award? Okay, so one keyword only they picked up, Gandhi Peace Prize Award, and they are asking all the question with that only. What is the importance of this? Who first got it? Okay, which organization was awarded with Gandhi Peace Prize Award in 2014? So you must have read the GK in 2020. Okay, you may or may not know who got it in 2014. So I would again call this to be as a wicked question, because you must not have been through while you prepare for your GK. Okay, who got the Gandhi Peace Prize in 2014? Okay, very difficult to know this thing. So mark only when you are sure of the answer. The answer here is ISRO got it. Okay, Indian Space Research Organization got the award in 2014. Okay, so play this ball only when you are sure of it. Okay, or else just leave it. It can cause you to lose your wicket. It can cause you to get a negative marking. Okay, sorry. Let's go for next. Okay, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman served as the first president of Bangladesh. Okay, clearly you should have known this. Okay, so this was clearly a fact that you should have known. Okay, so I would call this question as a 4. Okay, because it's an easy question. You know, Prime Minister he cannot be, because they have a presidential form of elections. So Prime Minister is gone. He is not Home Minister, Defense Minister. So clearly President is the choice that I am left with. Okay, so on this ball you should hit a 4, because that's an easy question and you are expected to know this thing. Again, one more question on Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was assassinated on. Okay, the date. So I know Bangladesh got independence in 1971. Okay, where he was there to see the independence. Okay, so he cannot be assassinated in 1960 for sure. Okay, I know Bangladesh got independence near to 1971, and after that he was assassinated. So it could be 75, but now again I am confused, November or August. Okay, so I would call this question as a defensive question. Okay, not a wicked question. Okay, because I can eliminate easily 2 options, which are A and D. Okay, I am left with B and C. Now I just have to check which of the 2 is correct. Okay, answer here is 15th of August 1975. Okay, so you may not be sure of this, but you can eliminate the option and do a 50-50 and come up with an answer. Okay, so be defensive on this question. Don't lose your wicket. Play well so that to get to the right answer. Okay, so that's how. Just understand now. One event happened where Mr. Modi visited Bangladesh, and Gandhi Peace Prize was awarded to the first president, the father of nation of Bangladesh. So they just picked up 2 keywords from here. one is the name of the person, one is the award, and they asked all the question from that only. Okay, so the reason for solving this paper is for you to understand that when you read current affairs in 2021, because you are writing exam in 2022, so know, okay, what keywords to pick up from that current affairs event, such that what question can come from it. Okay, you should know the right keywords to be picked up, then only you can Google and come up with the right question that can be asked from the passage. Okay, so know how CLAT is thinking, how they are making the question. They are giving you static GK. This is static GK. Who got the award in 1995? This is awarded for what? This is all static GK. Okay, something that has happened in past. You and I cannot change it. It has not happened in 2020, not a current affair. Who got it in 2014? It's again a static GK. But you cannot just read everything in static GK. Okay, you have to read only those parts which are in current affairs. From that you can go backwards. Okay, so they won't ask you any static GK from anywhere. They will ask you only the static GK which is part of current affairs. So Gandhi Peace Prize was part of current affairs. So they asked you all the question which is related to static GK from Gandhi Peace Prize. Okay, this is again a static GK. But this person was in news. That's why they asked you static GK related to him. This person was in news. That's why they asked you static GK again on assassination of him. Okay, so I hope with this you get an idea about how to pick up static GK from current affairs.